Oh, hello there, sport. You must be the new guy that Rick hired to replace Stan the man with the golden plan while he's out fighting Johnson as referenced in Bad Day at the Office Season 5 prequel.
Shut up.
What?
I said for you to shut up. So shut on up, won't you?
Wow, how rude. You shouldn't ought to talk to me that way, buckaroo.
Who are you to say that? You look like a gay cowboy.
I'm not a gay cowboy. At least, I don't think that I am. What is your name anyhow?
My name is DK. Also known as Cupcake, Deeks, Deaky Weeky, Slim Thug, and some people call me Sean.
You have a lot of names. Would you care to have brunch with me?
Why would I want to do that?
Because you're a high society type.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that then. What are you eating for brunch?
I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts.
Yeah, I'll have one or two, but I have to drive.
That's fair.
Where's the fair?
Where's the fair? It's over there.
Over where? Over where is the fair?
The fair is over there. That's where.
All right. Take care.
What just happened?
Everything.
Everything and nothing.
Do you write novels, mister? I don't even know your name.
Name's Donnie. And no, I don't write novels. I write Bibles.
Oh? Is that what you do here?
Pretty much. I'm no shoe salesman, I can assure you.
What is my job?
DK is a marksman. He used to bullseye wombrats in his T16 back home. They're not much bigger than 2 meters.
Those were the good old days.
DK, before this episode ends, may I ask you a personal question?
No?
No?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah. Ask away, you can ask away.
Who let the proverbial dogs out?
Oh, you didn't know.
Know what?
It was me. It was always me.